Planking and the benefits for 1 minute a day. A quick and effective total body workout, planks can help you develop lower and upper body strength, activate your core, and stabilize your joints. If you want to experience the benefits of planks, start doing them right away. Even just 1 minute of planks per day can yield incredible improvements over time. But to be honest, while researching this I looked at a lot of posts that explained what happened while doing a 1 minute plank every day for a month. And what I found is this really. If you're short on time and just want to do something to help your body gain strength, planking is the way to go. Just a simple 1 minute plank every day will make you feel better core-wise. Just don't expect a nice shiny six-pack on day 30. If you're trying to define your body and have 3 minutes to spare a day, you would start to feel and see some difference over a shorter time. And something people don't mention much is that body muscle has memory. So if you're someone who has been active over life, it's going to work faster for you than for someone who hasn't exercised since school, for example. All this said, let's take you through a simple plank. Your hands should be level on the floor, your elbows should be tucked under your shoulders, and your core should be tight. Raising yourself slowly until your body is in a straight line from your knees to your head while maintaining your forearms and knees on the ground. For as long as you can, maintain the position. As they say to do no adjustments in the feet. I hope this helps. If you have any requests for videos or subjects, let me know in the comments box. Don't forget to like and share to show appreciation. Until next time, take care of yourself.